Here we've got ZTE Blade 10, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select accounts, and as you can see, currently we are logged in with Google account, and here it is. If you would like to remove it, just mark it and tap on remove account. And if you truly want to remove it with all its data, tap on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it is no longer connected with this ZTE, and you can smoothly use it without it. Or you can add another account, or also if you are doing it for the first time, you need to reach accounts again, tap on add account, and pick Google. And now enter email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Google account. In my case, it's email address, and then click on next. And now let's enter the password. Here it is, and now click on next. Read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service, and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with all the terms and conditions, just click on I agree. And that's it. Click on accept to confirm your selection, and as you can see, Google account appeared here and it is connected with all your device, so you can smoothly use it. And this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.